millions of Filipinos suffer devastating floods, but it is just nature to blame? Or is it something deeper, drowning our hopes?
Ibinulgar sa Senado ang mga umano'y ghost na flood control projects partikular sa Bulacan. Bukod dyan, pinasabi na rin ng mga kontratistang ng ghost sa pagdinig ng Senado. Narito ang aking report.
Ito, may hati-hati yan mula sa pinakamataas hanggang sa mga nasa gilid lang ng sistema. Huwag nyo kaming gawing panakipbutas kasi kung babalikan ang
flooding is not just a natural disaster. It's a man-made crisis. Mismanaged funds, delayed projects, and lack of accountability have left communities vulnerable. Billions allocated for flood control vanish into thin air, while rivers overflow and streets turn into seas.
Destroyed, futures uncertain, behind every flood statistic and a family struggling to survive. Neglect is not just numbers, it's human suffering.
Flood control. We can fight back, support anti-corruption initiative, demand proper flood control infrastructure, engage in disaster preparedness. Together we can turn the tide.
The movement speak up, hold leaders accountable, because the next flood should never be a flood of broken promises.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your